उल्लङ्घ्य अयम् उत्तुङ्गः हिन्दुशक्तिभूतः शिवनृपनिर्मितः दुर्गराज रायदुर्ग विराजते। शत्रुच्छलकं गोमुखिद्वारम् मृत्युद्वारम्।
We have come from, that is the back side. Shivaji Maharaj never came from this side, right? Okay, so we always come from the front side. That is the main side. This is the back side. It is called Mena Darwaza. Okay, and generally it was believed all the queens of, means this door was specially made up for the queens. So here you can see the quarters of the queens. Actually, many historians believe it was not the quarter of queens. Like Dandekar, and he asked, where are the toilets of your kings? So in northern forts, there are no toilets. Okay, so this is the specification of this fort. Another specification that we are going to see, that is the market. This is the only fort where you can see the market. Okay, so that we'll see now. So this is the most important thing of this Raigad fort. Okay, so in Rajgarh, if you see, the किल्ल्यावर तुम्हाला म्हणजे कारण की Rajgarh was the only fort. Only means there were 12-13 forts which were built by Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj means, of course, he's engineers, right? So I mean that. Hiroji Indalkar, right? So this fort was built by him. So of course it was the most sophisticated fort. That's why all type of the things which require in our today's home, that was fulfilled here, right? So if I ask you, generally in our house, where do we build our washrooms? Back side, front side, where we build it? Back side. So this is the back side of the fort. This is not the front side. Okay. So king comes from that side. I told you in the class that there is a special darwaja called Maha Darwaja. Shivaji Maharaj used to enter from there, or any soldier want to enter, they used to enter from there. This door is only for the queens. Okay. So here there is system of vent pipes also. What is the vent pipe? I think प्रासादचा डायरेक्ट अर्थ एक तर राजमहाल, राजवाडा किंवा मंदिर. आतमध्ये गेलं मंदिर आहे. हा प्रासाद कुणाचा? जगदीश्वरस्य, जगदीश्वराचा श्लेष अलंकार. एकाच शब्दाचे दोन अर्थ सुद्धा. जगदीश्वर कोण? या जगाचा पूर्ण महाराजांच्या राज्यामध्ये ते ईश्वर आणि त्यांचं हे राज्य दोन्ही पद्धतीने. प्रासादो परत एकदा प्रासाद कुणाचा म्हणजे मंदिर कुणाचं? प्रासादो जगदीश्वरस्य. जगत ते कसं आहे? हाऊ इट इज? जगताम आनंददः, जगाला आनंद देणारा, जगाला आनंद देणारा या जगदीश्वराचा प्रासाद आता मी बांधलाय कसा? अनुज्ञेय. इथं अनु लिहिलंय, एक तर दानू आहे, संधी आहे, द इकडे आता आनंददः, आनंद देणारा, अनुज्ञेय आणि या इथं अनुज्ञेय म्हणजे कोणाच्या तरी आज्ञेने. कोणाच्या? शिवाजी महाराजांच्या आज्ञेने. पुढे कुणाच्या? श्रीमद छत्रपती शिवस्य, छत्रपती शिवरायांच्या अनुज्ञेने